In this video, I will show you how to add PayPal payment methods in WooCommerce. First, open your WordPress dashboard and go to the Plugins section from the left menu. Then click on Add New. Inside the search bar, type PayPal and look for the plugin by Payment Plugins. Once you find it, click on Install Now and then activate the plugin. After the plugin is activated, go to WooCommerce from the left menu and click on PayPal by Payment Plugins. Then open the settings page. Here you will see the option called Connect to PayPal. Click on Click to Connect and log in to your PayPal account. If you do not already have a PayPal account, create one first and then come back to continue the setup. Also, make sure you are using a PayPal business account because the integration will not work properly with a personal account. Once you log in, click on Agree and Connect to link your PayPal account with WooCommerce. After the connection is complete, scroll down and click on Save Changes. Now you also need to enable the PayPal payment methods on your store. To do that, click on the Payments tab at the top. Scroll down until you find PayPal and enable it from the list of payment options. Then click Save Changes, again to apply everything. That's it. Your PayPal payment method has now been added successfully in WooCommerce. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.